Here's a 1956 Chevrolet regular cab step side. Nice driver quality truck is kind of the category I'd put this in. Got a 350 underneath the hood, paired with a 350 automatic transmission, turbo 350. Has had a front disc brake conversion done to it with power brakes and power steering, also underneath the hood. So nicely equipped truck. Paint shows a nice luster to it, but there are some imperfections in it. A little older paint job. I'll get around to the other side where you can kind of get it to show up in the video here. Rear end is out of a Chevelle. Previous owner believed to be 342s. Truck goes down the road very nice. It's made to drive, no doubt about that. Got a pretty good range too on it with the tank that it has in the bed there. Hold a few gallons of gas to avoid having to fill up a whole lot. Around, check out the step side. Tailgate's been painted up nicely. Chevrolet logo, a little black and kind of cream trim on there. Dual exhaust. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, you can check out the undersides, interior. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip down the side here. Like I said, I'll show you. There you can see kind of, there's a few surface scratches. There's one little ding up in the fender here. So you don't have to be afraid to get in this one and drive it and enjoy it. Let's go ahead and check out the interior here. Door cards painted up nicely, a little two-tone. Carpets in it's nice. He just threw in these kind of floor mats to cover and protect it. So carpet in it is nice. Seats in good shape. Out of a later model car. Cloth buckets. Hurst ratchet shifter on the floor. Aftermarket stereo. Tachometer down there. Kind of a custom steering wheel inlay. Tilt column. Later model vehicle. Go ahead and fire this up a second so you can hear it run too. Nice running and starting vehicle also. Got the headliner. Slip around to the back here. An idea how it sounds. Nice little rumble out of that 350. Overall, nice running and driving truck, like I said. Good driver quality. If you'd like to know more, got any questions, like to arrange for transportation, any of that, feel free to give us a call. We can be reached at 507-386-1726, 1956 Chevrolet step side.